In this video, I'll guide you through how to go to a specific date in Google Calendar. Whether you're planning ahead for a trip, checking an old appointment, or organizing a future project, knowing how to quickly jump to the exact day you need can save you a lot of time and scrolling. We'll walk through it step by step so you'll feel comfortable doing it on your own by the end. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to log into your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see your main calendar view, usually showing your schedule by week or by month, depending on your default settings. Now look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a small calendar view. This is a mini version of your calendar that sits in the sidebar. It's easy to overlook if you're focused on the main calendar, but this is actually the quickest way to jump straight to any date you want. In this small calendar, your current month will be displayed, with today's date usually highlighted. To go to a specific date, you'll first want to locate the correct month. If the date you need is not in the month that's currently showing, use the small left and right arrows near the top of this mini calendar. Clicking the left arrow moves you back to previous months, and clicking the right arrow moves you forward to upcoming months. Take a moment to click through until you see the month that contains the date you're looking for. For example, if you're planning something for next year, you might need to click the right arrow several times. Don't worry about how far away the date is. You can keep clicking until the correct month appears. Once you've found the right month in the small calendar, look for the exact day you want within that month. The days are arranged in a standard calendar grid, just like a normal wall calendar. When you see the date you need, simply click on that day. As soon as you click the day, the main calendar view on the right will automatically jump to that specific date. If you're in day view, you'll see the full schedule for that day. If you're in week or month view, the calendar will scroll or shift so that the selected date is clearly visible. From there, you can add events, check existing appointments, or just review what's happening on that particular day. That's all there is to it. By using the small calendar on the left and the arrow buttons to move between months, you can quickly navigate to any date in Google Calendar without endless scrolling.